Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are all micro USB cables the same? Yes, but you'll need a special adapter. USB Type-C and micro USB, Type-B micro, are not the same, and will not fit each other's ports on their own. Look for a USB Type-C to micro USB adapter. This will have a USB Type-C connector that plugs into your device and a micro USB port into which you plug the charger. How do I know if I have a micro USB? Micro USB offers a connection physically smaller in size to a USB Mini B, while still supporting the high-speed transfer rate of 480 megabits per second and on-the-go features. The connection can be easily identified by its white-colored receptacle and compact 5-pin design. Is micro USB for Android? Android smartphones have used the USB Micro B connector for both data transfer and charging almost exclusively since their introduction in 2008. Android tablets also use micro USB but often have a separate port for their own power adapter.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.